Hello everyone, welcome back to the maths class of Mount Litra Z School, Surat. Great school, great future. In today's session, I'm going to discuss word problems based on chapter 6, triangles and its properties. And the topic is Pythagoras Theorem. Here, in previous classes already we have learned what is a Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem: for any right triangle, the sum of the squares of the length of the legs equals the square of the length of hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? The longest side of the given right angled triangle. So in this case, C is hypotenuse because it is opposite to the right angle triangle. C is the longest one and that is known as hypotenuse. And according to Pythagoras theorem says the square of the longest side will be equal to the sum of the others square of others two sides. So other sides are A and B. This is your Pythagoras theorem. Now converse of the Pythagoras theorem. What will happen if they are so on? So if A square plus B square equals to C square, then the triangle is a right triangle. Clear? This is your Pythagoras theorem, and Pythagoras theorem says that the hypotenuse square will be equal to the sum of the other two sides, square of the other two sides. And converse it, if it is so, then the triangle is a right angled triangle. So shall we start doing word problems based on Pythagoras theorem? Now here we have the first question number 8, and before to that already we have discussed in live session. Now question number 8 says, verify whether the triangle DAM with sides DA 10 cm, AM 24 and DM 26 is a right triangle. You have to verify by using the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Fine. And if is it so, in case triangle DAM is a right triangle, identify the vertex containing the right triangle. So very first we'll draw the figure or the diagram. It says triangle DAM. So here you know that the triangle vertex is known as its right angle. So here this is A. Fine. This is your D. DAM. Now what is DA is given? 10 centimeter. What is AM? 24 centimeter. What is DM? 26 centimeter. Now you have to verify the given segments is a right angle triangle or not, and if it is so, you have to identify the vertex also. Now by using the converse of Pythagoras theorem, you know that sum of the square of hypotenuse will be equal to the rest of square of other two sides. So other two sides are AD and AM. If is it so, then only the given figure is a right angle triangle. Now what is DM? 26. Do square of it. What is AD? 10. What is DM? AM? 24. If they are equal, then only the given figure is a right angle triangle. If we calculate, you will get 676. This is 100. This is 576. So here 676 is equals to 676. So yes, this is a right angle triangle, and in this case you have to identify the vertex containing the right angle. So on which vertex containing the right angle? That is angle A. Clear? So this way we have verified. Now next question, we have verify the triangle ABC side AB. So we'll draw a figure. So angle is known as its vertex as well, you know that. Now here this is your B, A, B, C. Now AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter, and CA is or AC is 11 centimeter. So we'll start doing solution. So the same by using converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now it says the square of the hypotenuse should be equals to the sum of the square of other two sides, and other two sides are AB and BC. Now what is AC? 11 centimeter. What is AB? 5 centimeter. What is BC? 8 centimeter. If they are equal, then only it will come. So 5 5s are 25, 8 8s are 64. Now this is 121. Now here you can see that 121 is not equals to 89. So this is not a right angle triangle. Clear? And if it is not, so no need to identify the vertex containing the right angle. Now next, question 11 says, in the given figure, can you see the figure? In this given figure, triangle ABE and CDE are right angled triangle. Find the length of AC. Now AC, can you see this? AC consisting two segments. One is AE and EC. AC is equals to AE plus EC. So if we get this AE and EC, and after finding this length, if we add it, then easily we can have the length of AC. So in triangle, we'll take first BAE, triangle BAE. It says the Pythagoras theorem. Now what is BE? Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square, but in this case we do not have base, so we'll find it base square equals to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. And what is your hypotenuse? 5 and perpendicular 4. 5 5s are 25 minus 4 4s are 16. Yeah, 25 minus 16, it will come 9. Now B will come under root 9, that is 3 centimeter. That is your base, and base was AE. Clear? Now in triangle DCE or ECD. Fine. Now hypotenuse is already given by using Pythagoras theorem. That should hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. And what is perpendicular? That you have to find. So that means perpendicular square equals to hypotenuse square minus base square. What is hypotenuse? 13. What is base? 5. 13 13, 169 minus 25, 144. So perpendicular is under root 144 is 12 centimeter. Now that is your EC. That is your EC. So you have to find the length of AC, which consisting AE plus EC. AE we got 3 centimeter and EC we got 12. So length of this, it will come 15 centimeter as an answer. Clear? Now the next we have, in the given figure, triangle PQS and triangle PSR are right angled triangle. So here this is PQS and PSR, right angle triangle. Find the length of PS, this one, and PR. So implement the same using the Pythagoras theorem. You will easily get hypotenuse. This hypotenuse will become perpendicular of triangle PRS, and for that easily you will get calculate the length of PR. Clear? Very easy. So we'll start here doing solution. In triangle PQS, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. What is hypotenuse? That is PS that you have to find. Perpendicular is 8, base is 6, 64 plus 36, and it will come 100. PS equals to under root 100, that means 10 centimeter. Clear? Now this 10 centimeter, it will come here because we got length of PS, and that is 10 centimeter. Clear? Now the next triangle we have triangle PSR. So in triangle PSR, same rule, Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, perpendicular square plus base square. Now in this PR is hypotenuse that you have to find. What is perpendicular? That is 24 centimeter and base is 10, or else 10 plus 24 you can consider. Now this is 576 and plus 100, 676. So hypotenuse under root of this 676, and it will come 26 centimeter. So the length of PS we got 10 centimeter, and hypotenuse in this hypotenuse was PR, and PR equals to 26 centimeter. This is your answer. Listen children, you have to learn the Pythagoras theorem and the converse of the Pythagoras theorem. Both the topics are very important. Clear? Thank you for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe.